Hello, I am just going to give you a refresher on commas in a series. If you look at the sentence that is on your screen, it says, I like to read, write, and color. If you notice, I have put a comma after read, write, and write. And that's because I have more than two things: read, write, color. So I have to add commas in order to separate it. Now I'm going to write a sentence and I want you to tell me where the commas would go. Josh, Amy, and Ariana are reading. There is something wrong with this sentence. What is it? It's missing commas. You are correct. But where do we put those commas? Where do you see a series of things, or either people, places, things, or actions? Where do you see a series or more than one? I see three people's names: Josh, Amy, Ariana. So I know that I'm going to have to separate them with commas. Josh, comma, Amy, comma, Ariana. Josh, Amy, and Ariana are reading. That is correct. Now I'm going to give you another sentence, and you're going to tell me if it's correct. Is that correct? I put a comma here, 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 and here. Josh, Amy, Ariana, and I are reading. I put commas around them, but is that correct? No, but why is that not correct? Because all of them aren't in a series. They're all not a name. I have put commas around the verb, which I shouldn't have a comma around. And no. It should just be Josh, Amy, Ariana, and I are reading. Okay, I just wanted to give you that refresher on commas in a series. If you have any questions, please let me know, and also do well on your quiz at the end of this lesson.